你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final YING. When you see the English letter ING in Pinyin, the pronunciation is YING. It's like the sound of ING in the English word king, but the G sound is barely pronounced. Say YING. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Ying, 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 ying. When the final ying is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as YING and pronounced ying. Ying is hawk in Chinese. Pronunciation exercise for ying sound. Let's combine the initial b, the final, ying, and the high-pitched first tone all together. B, ying, bing. Repeat after me. B, ying, bing. Bing, bing, bing. Bing is ice in Chinese. Let's combine the initial t, the final, ying, and the high-pitched first tone all together. 特应听 Repeat after me. 特应听听听听 听 is to listen in Chinese. Question. When you see ing and YING in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is ying. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.